He reveals deep and secret things. He knows what is in the darkness, and light dwells with him. I thank you and praise you, O God of my fathers. You have given me wisdom and mind, and have now made known to me what we ask of you. For you have made known to us the king's demand. Therefore Daniel went to Arioch, whom the king had appointed to destroy the wise men of Babylon. He went and said thus to him, do not destroy the wise men of Babylon. Take me before the king, and I will tell the king the interpretation. Then Arioch quickly brought Daniel before the king, and said thus to him, I have found a man of the captives of Judah, who will make known to the king the interpretation. The king answered and said to Daniel, whose name was Belteshazzar, are you able to make known to me the dream which I have seen and its interpretation? Daniel answered in the presence of the king and said, the secret which the king has demanded, the wise men, the astrologers, the magicians, and the soothsayers cannot declare to the king. But there is a God in heaven who reveals secrets, and he has made known to King Nebuchadnezzar what will be in the latter days. Your dreams and the visions you had upon your bed were this. As for you, O king, thoughts came to your mind while on your bed about what would come to pass after this, and he would reveal secrets, has made known to you what will be. But as for me, this secret has not been revealed to me because I have more wisdom than anyone living. But for our sakes, who make known the interpretation to the king, and that you may know the thoughts of your heart. Here ends the first reading. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Please stand for today's Sunday Canticle. Soli Dominare, the third song of Isaiah. Arise, shine, for your light has come.
And the glory of the Lord is on upon you.
For behold, darkness covers the land.
His gloom shrouds your people.
But over you the Lord will rise.
And his glory will appear upon you.
Nations will stream to your light.
And kings the brightness of your dawning.
Your gates will always be open.
By day or night will the heavens shut.
They will call you the city of the Lord.
The Zion of the Holy One of Israel.
Violence will no more be heard in your land.
Ruin and destruction within your borders.
They will call your walls salvation.
And all your portals praise.
The sun will no more be your light by day.
By night there will be the brightness of the moon.
The Lord will be your everlasting light.
And your God will be your glory.
Glory to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
As it was in the beginning, is now,